Geeks. This is a P807. I have converted into a DTF. Okay, so this is how it looks. So you can feed paper in this area, and the output will become ekdam straight here. Okay, so in this the very good benefit of this P807 is like you can feed the roll in backside. Okay, there is not much like not much modification is required in backside, but some electrical points we need to modify it. Okay, those electrical points we have changed it. Okay, plus there is a roll section in backside. We have made our own roll which we are giving it with L1800 and other printer. The same roll will be same roll stand will be get used in this. Okay, so if you wanted to feed by sheet, so you can take that in a sheet way. Okay, if you feed by a roll way, so what you can do is you can just close this. Okay, and you can open this roll feeding tray. Okay, so in this there is a very good function, like when you put the roll inside, it will automatically detect. Let me just show you. So if you just see, like I am pushing the paper. Okay, so we have tested the whole lot of time the same Epson ink. See, like we got a sound, like printer has detected some roll. Okay, now I need to click on load button. Before clicking on load, I'll just open this and show you how the printer is loading the roll. Just see this, how the paper is smoothly coming in. Okay, and getting inside very smooth. Now our roll is ready. Here all option will be getting, like if you want 16 inches, you can select it. You can select the paper type and click on OK. The main benefit of the P807 is, like usually these kind of functions we give it in a vacuum and all, like cut and eject, like forward backward. Printer will be automatically detecting like how much it is printed, how much they have to take a roll back. Okay, so that is like a very good feature in P807 and P800. Okay, so so the roll is got feeded. Now what we need to do is, like we just need to select a printer here, and we need to select a roll feed here. Okay, and then we can click on print. So this printer I am selling it with a Kotari have a lots of features apart from this freeware partner Pro. Okay, so Kotari have a option for roll feeding up to like n number of meters. Okay, so so we have selected a roll feed here. We can just click on print, but make sure that like before putting before giving a print, you just give some cardboard. I have one so now the paper is feeded. What we have done it here is, like we have installed this cardboard. Okay, so why this cardboard is required? Because the film is getting touched when it's getting printed, so we need to install this cardboard. Okay, so the cardboard is installed properly at the in a same like 30 centimeter. Okay, and we will give a print, and the film will be coming straight on this. So let's give a print and we'll see like how it is getting printed. Just see this. Just see, it's getting printed on film. Okay. So the film is came out and it's printed well. So just see this. We just wanted to see like how it is printing accurately on CMYK white. Instead of white, CMYK light cyan magenta, light magenta will be there. And as it's absenting, that's why. So just see this. You will get a message like this, and when you click on cut here, then this paper will be get out and there will be a marking of this cutting. Just see this, the marking the printer is putting automatic. Okay, when you click on finished, it will be get finished and the paper will be taken back, okay, wherever it's completed. So all these markings and all we can adjust it. There are settings we can do that. Okay, thanks a lot.